Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. I also go by Liz. I'm on my way to the store to buy ingredients to make something. Can you guess what I'm going to be making? See you soon. A little Cuba Libre. Hi everyone, welcome back. As you see, here we are. I have our ingredient outside separate. So we have 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and a cake mix. Now let's bake together, shall we? If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is how I store. Now let's get a pan and transfer this mix to the greasy pan. But first, hold a second. As you see, I transfer the mix to the baking oven safe.